Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Remy here. Today we are going to cook up a delicious and healthy dish featuring a unique star ingredient, and this is green turnip. I got fresh green turnip from Kroger, and I'm going to share the recipe how to make this. I picked each leaves and washed it thoroughly. Now we're going to cut it very small. You can see the process how to do this. I'm going to pair this green turnip with potatoes. It's going to be very flavorful, tasty recipe. Keep watching till the end so you do not miss any tips shared here and the method how to make this. So we're going to cut it very small. You can see, although these green leafy vegetables, even if it's one vessel full of green leaf, it turns out to be, after cooking it comes reduced to just a cup of a cup size. So this is how we look in the leaves. We look for any any holes or any although these green leaves are very good, they are very fresh from Kroger. So even in the stores that you purchase, you can always look for any worms or anything like that on green leaves. But though these are very fresh and very good and organic, so yeah, there was nothing in it, and we wash it in hot water and chop it like this. I pair this vegetable with pearl barley. It's a millet, and that is what my husband loves, and my kids enjoy this with rice. We can enjoy this with rice, millet, or like Indian bread we call chapati, roti, or any breads that you like. This goes well with everything once it's combined with potato. Potato is such a versatile vegetable that you combine with anything, it makes a dish so tasty. Here I'm taking jalapeno. You can substitute it with a green chili also if you want little spice. Here I'm de-seeding it. Cut it lengthwise like this. I'm going to take little onion here. You can see it's less than half. You can use a chopper, or you can cut it like this also. Easy peasy. 3 garlic cloves I'm taking here. I like to cut it very small. And here I've taken 3 potatoes. These are golden Idaho potatoes. You can cut it into cubes. So here you can see, these are not cooked potatoes, it's raw. We're going to cook it with the vegetables. That's a green leafy vegetable. Look how much we have in quantity, and once it's cooked it will be just 1 cup after all the water releases. But make sure whenever you cook any vegetable, close it with the lid closed, because we don't want any nutrients to escape. All the nutrients should be there, so always cook veggies with the lid closed. So here I've taken coconut oil, half tablespoon coconut oil. Add cumin seed, ginger, garlic coarsely crushed, or you can add chopped like this, thinly chopped, thinly sliced. I've added jalapenos here. Chopped onions. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. I'm cooking this in medium-high heat. Added turmeric powder, salt per taste. This is paprika. You can add red chili powder for little spice. I've added paprika here for little red color. Give a good mix. Now we add the cubed potatoes or the diced potatoes. Give a good mix. Mix it well for like 4 to 5 minutes. Next we're going to add the veggies here. So here I've added the leafy vegetable, that's a green turnip. Mix everything well. So the leafy vegetable also get all the masalas that we put. That's the turmeric, red chili powder, the paprika, and the salt. We have onion, garlic, everything. Combine it well. Look how gorgeous it looks, the green vegetable. Isn't it very healthy? If you don't like to add the potatoes, you can skip it. You can enjoy the leafy vegetable as it is. Now close the lid. We don't want any nutrients to escape, so we just close the lid so it cooks evenly, very good. The potatoes will be well cooked. Now you see all the green leafy is releasing water, but that's perfectly fine. We want the potatoes to cook in that. Give it a good mix like this. I want the potatoes to be a little more cooked, so I'm going to close the lid once again. I'm cooking this in medium heat right now. If you do in medium high heat, the potatoes will not be cooked well. So cook everything in medium heat now. And see, the potatoes are cooked, the veggies is done, and they're reduced to almost 1 cup. I'm going to serve this with the pearl barley. That's a millet that my husband loved to have his food with, instead of rice, he liked to have this pearl barley. And there you have it, a simple, healthy and a flavorful green turnip recipe that's perfect as a side dish. Give this recipe a try and let me know how you liked it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.